So in this video I'll be showing you guys how to prepare corn and green pea salad. Okay guys, and I'm Chef Andre Davy. So firstly you want to go ahead and put 1 cup of corn in your bowl, okay guys, and I have some sweet peas here. Okay, you just want to go ahead and add that to the corn. Okay, I want to give this a nice little stir. And right here I have some diced onion. Just gonna add some diced onion inside. And I have some green onion. Okay guys, this one is pretty easy. And I'll be adding in some mustard powder. Okay guys, a little bit of mustard powder. And that's roughly ½ teaspoon. And you want to go ahead and add some lime juice. Okay guys, and I'll be using roughly ½ teaspoon. Okay guys, so some lime juice inside, and I'll be adding some oregano, just a little bit guys, just a pinch. Okay, so I add a pinch of oregano, and right here I have a pinch of salt and pepper. Okay, nice. So what you want to do again guys, you just want to go ahead and give this a nice little stir. Okay guys, okay, lovely. And for the dressing guys, I'll be using some ranch. It's roughly 3 tablespoons of ranch. You just want to combine all these ingredients. And here we go guys, our corn and sweet pea salad is ready. Thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, click the post notification bell, so whenever I upload a new video you will be the first to be notified. Okay guys, and if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and catch me in another video guys. I have a whole lot more recipe to share with you guys. Goodbye.